Why? Why service manager solution? That's what I will explain in this session. So it's not about what my product can do, can promote in terms of digital transformation, but what the service manager concept can do for digital transformation. So, first of all, digital transformation is not about technology. It's about change, about people, about process. And it is not a matter of if, but when and how. I have two questions. First, how to achieve customer trust? Would you like to have agility, control, and effective management? That are 4 points that we want to have. Customer trust, agility, control, and management. That's what digital transformation needs to provide. So, how? Become customer-centric. Why become customer-centric? Because customer-centric think external to internal. You need to think in your customer and adjust everything you have internally for that vision. That is be customer-centric. Understand the customer journey. It's very important. What is the customer journey? Customer journey represents all points of contact that the customer has with your organization. And it's important to understand all points. It's very important for become customer-centric. I have that image. Customer and company. I have links. That links represents customer journey and experience. So that pyramid represents a framework that Gartner shows us some steps. And the first step begins with meeting customer basic needs. It's important. And the other important thing is, inside the company, I have many departments. So each department, HR, finance, facilities, others, need to work to improve the better customer experience possible. Digital transformation means better connection between processes and customer experience. So to promote a customer trust level, you need to understand what happens inside the organization, what each department is doing to promote, to serve your customer. Important point is we are living the economy of experience. What is this? Economy of experience is the customer orientation is feeling. Feeling is more important. I have 3 examples. First, Starbucks. You don't go to Starbucks not just a good coffee, but you go to Starbucks because the environment is a good environment. You go to Starbucks to read emails, work, study. Amazon. I buy in Amazon, and I have the confidence that any issue that I have, the Amazon can solve. That's important to me. It's important for me because confidence, it's strong. Facebook, it's other examples. 100% experience because people go there to connect with others, to see posts, to talk with others. It's a 100% environment for experience. What promotes good experience? That links there, the connection with company, with customer represents services. Services is everything. You start the customer journey in the web. You start the customer journey in the web, and you need, and after you sell a product or service, it's independent if you, what you sell, product or service. If you sell product, you need to have a sales channel. So service is everything. And you need to connect the internal journey with the customer journey. The image before showed the links that represent service, and that image represents the environment connected. The external and the internal need to work to deliver the better experience possible. But I'm not talking about just IT services. I'm talking about the whole company being moved by services. It's a different approach. I'm talking about IT services. I'm talking about corporate services, enterprise services. I have an internal journey, many departments working to deliver the better experience. Okay, seeing from another perspective. I remove the customer, the external customer, and I move the department to the customer place. Now it's no more one department. It's now an internal customer. It's changed everything because the other departments need to work to promote the better experience possible, the better service possible for the internal customer. See from another perspective, I have suppliers. The department or internal customer need to hire some suppliers. And suppliers play a relevant role in this service chain. In some cases, the internal customer department needs to control what that supplier is doing. And when you open a service for that customer, you need to understand and how the supplier works, or when the supplier you deliver the results. It's important. So now I have the image, external and internal customer. And I have inside the company departments, and I have suppliers. I need to control that. So the company, it's an environment composed of people. And I have friction in some cases, or in many cases. So I need a concept that promotes reduce the friction. And that concept, service management concept, it's a good way to promote friction, reduce friction. So that table show important informations. I have first column, automated services delivered using automation. See, the cost is less, and the end user satisfaction is grow because it's fast. Using service management, you can deliver a service portal where the customer, external or internal, can use to solve your issues fast way. So the other column, end users, okay, and the other example, the cost is less, and the end user satisfaction it's good. It's other perspective, because that is represents that deliver information, not service. Information, it's a service too, but your customer, external or internal, looking for information, you need to find fast. It's the other way to deliver services, because information, it's services too. So each department has your process, has people, change happens, and need to control the performance. So the better way to control the performance is using the concept of enterprise service management. The power of service management within the organization. Service management using a set of frameworks like ITIL, BPM, Kanban, knowledge management, and others. It's great. It's not just IT, but it's for business. Service management, it's for business too. Enterprise service management. How fast can you adapt? Agility, it's the new standard. Many companies around the world need be fast. Mm-hmm. Need change fast. So change management, it's other concept inside the service management concept that allows a quick and accurate responses. You need to promote change in your environment. All departments need promote change. Always you need to improve. How is the best way to do that? Change management. That concept that I call organizational change management. It's a new in the business today. It's a new framework. Okay, it's a very important framework that you need to understand. And using the concept of service management, you can promote change and see the impact that you have in a specific service, in the specific way. You can promote a change in a specific department, in a specific process, okay? And see the impact in your business and control that. Change management, implement the risk management too. It's a complete concept inside the service management concept. It allows us to understand people's behavior. So I see many companies using ERP and try to understand the people's behavior. But ERP is not a good solution to understand the people behavior. A good solution for that is service management, because you have 2 points, a supplier and a customer. And I have departments, I have people working to deliver the priority needs. It's understand the people behavior, understand the workforce, understand what the people doing to deliver good experience. It demonstrates the contribution of each person within the organization. It allows you to value your main asset. People, your main asset. You need a framework to understand the people. Service management is the framework to understand people. So let me talk about CITSmart. CITSmart it's our platform for service management, for IT service management, for enterprise service management. What's the value of CITSmart? CITSmart combines the power of BPM, ESM, and ITSM in one solution. It's interesting. Let me talk about a specific case. I have a case in Brazil, Flamengo. It's the biggest soccer team in Latin America. And the best, yeah.
Tudo bem.
Tudo bem.
So Flamengo start the use of service management in IT, and now use it for 4 areas: marketing, HR, board of directors, and IT. Flamengo saw the value of service management for other departments, and how powerful is that framework. What's the value of CITSmart? CITSmart promotes 360-degree vision in your environment. It's a holistic solution. You can see, you as a CEO can see what happens in each department. You can see the performance of each department, because you can see the problems that you have in your workflow, gaps that you have in communication in departments, between departments. So CITSmart can eliminate siloed, separated, and dysfunctional business unit and be customer-centric. What's the value of CITSmart? Customer experience and employee experience using artificial intelligence. We have a model called Anuva. Anuva is our knowledge center in our artificial intelligence. Can be used for external customer to help, using chatbot to help and get information, and use it internally to promote better performance, because the employee has doubts. So use Anuva answer, and Anuva learn about your workflows, about your work, about the work that each department do. You, in some case, The Nuva is learn, because we use machine learning. In a specific moment, a Nuva can predict some information, some service, what you need to do to deliver the better service for the customer, external or internal. So it's important. By 2020, 85% of CIOs will be piloting AI programs through a combination of buy, build, and outsource efforts. It's important. Guard information. CITSmart can promote continuous improvement because I can see problems in your workflow, problems in a specific workflow of a specific department, bottlenecks, what are the gaps, and you can promote the change management and improve your environment. CITSmart brings simplicity. The idea of the service manager is not thinking tasks like you have in a BPM solution. Because in BPM solution you think in tasks. Service manager think in results. You think in simplicity. You think in customer experience, internal or external. So CITSmart can eliminate gaps between business departments. That's important. Eliminates friction. Remove friction. CITSmart can promote agility, control, and management. Operational excellence using many frameworks. BPM, knowledge management, VerSM, Kanban, SLA, COBIT, ITIL, Lean, Agile. And CITSmart can improve. CITSmart brings the performance management because CITSmart is agile and adaptable. So, and more important, CITSmart is not mobile first. CITSmart is not AI first. CITSmart introduced the concept of value first. Customer experience first. That's the idea of CITSmart. So, questions? I have 6 minutes.
Why don't you ask him a question in case somebody doesn't?
So, thank you.